Hello, now I am going to talk about Stephen William Hawking's awards and honors. Hawking received numerous awards and honors. Already early in the list, in 1974 he was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society. At that time, his nomination read, "Hawking has made major contributions to the field of general relativity. These derive from a deep understanding of what is relevant to physics and astronomy, and especially from a mastery of wholly new mathematical techniques." Following the pioneering work of Penrose, he established, partly alone and partly in collaboration with Penrose, a series of successively stronger theorems establishing the fundamental result that all realistic cosmological models must possess singularities. Using similar techniques, Hawking has proved the basic theorems on the laws governing black holes, that stationary solutions of Einstein's equations with smooth event horizons must necessarily be axisymmetric, and that in the evolution and interaction of black holes, the total surface area of the event horizons must increase. In collaboration with G. Ellis, Hawking is the author of an impressive and original treatise on spacetime in the large. The citation continues. Other important work by Hawking relates to the interpretation of cosmological observations and to the design of gravitational wave detectors. Hawking was also a member of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences 1984, the American Philosophical Society 1984, and the United States National Academy of Sciences 1992. Hawking received the 2015 VA Foundation Frontiers of Knowledge Award in Basic Sciences shared with Vyacheslav Mukhanov for discovering that the galaxies were formed from quantum fluctuations in the early universe. At the 2016 Pride of Britain Awards, Hawking received the Lifetime Achievement Award for his contribution to science and British culture. After receiving the award from Prime Minister Theresa May, Hawking humorously requested that she not seek his help with Brexit. Medal for Science Communication. Hawking was a member of the advisory board of the Starmus Festival, and had a major role in acknowledging and promoting science communication. The Stephen Hawking Medal for Science Communication is an annual award initiated in 2016 to honor members of the arts community for contributions that help build awareness of science. Recipients receive a medal bearing a portrait of Hawking by Alexei Leonov, and the other side represents an image of Leonov himself performing the first spacewalk along with an image of the Red Special, the guitar of Queen musician and astrophysicist Brian May, with music being another major component of the Starmus Festival. The Starmus 3 Festival in 2016 was a tribute to Stephen Hawking, and the book of all Starmus 3 lectures, Beyond the Horizon, was also dedicated to him. The first recipients of the medals, which were awarded at the festival, were chosen by Hawking himself. They were composer Hans Zimmer, physicist Jim Al-Khalili, and the science documentary Particle Fever.
That makes us unique as transcending our limits.
You just on the right here, please. Come on.
But I don't know, it's small. I don't know if you will see.
Right in front of Brian.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you. Paddy, can we get you in there, please? See?